We're gonna go shop for some stuff we need. This is the way we go out all the time. When we get in a shop, we put some gloves on. I'm gonna stop by some flour, mulch to do some plants outside. But this is the way we go out all the time now. Thank you. Hi, this morning was raining a lot. I was trying to go out to pick some strawberries and some blueberries, because sometimes I go to the strawberry farm and blueberry farm to pick some fresh strawberry and blueberries, but it was raining, it was storming. Now it's a beautiful afternoon and we're gonna be going out to pick some stuff we need, and I hope we not have any problem. We go out every 2 weeks when we really need to do anything, but we need to go out sometime to buy fruits and vegetables. Coming home from shopping. Thank God we're home. I get so stressed when I need to go out. And I'm gonna relax, maybe plant some of my flowers, some of the vegetable I bought. With the tomatoes, I have a cherry tomatoes, I have a plum tomatoes, and I have a hot pepper. This other side, I need to weed this. I have a pepper, oh, not a pepper. I forget the name now. Mint. And I have a parsley, I put in the side here. And the tomato, I have a red tomato. Look at this. I have a red little tomato. And I have some peppers coming out. It's a beautiful pepper. And I have some pineapple, but I don't have any pineapple in the bush yet. And I have some Ponderosa lemon tree. They're beautiful, they're huge. It's good for lemonade, it's good for pie. I'm gonna show you how I can plant the tomato. I'm gonna start with the tomato. Just 1 second. Some tomato remove from the container. You take apart a little bit, make hole, can be in a container or in the ground where you're gonna plant the tomato. This is another tomato I'm gonna put on the same way. You make a hole, you take apart the roots, you put in the ground and you cover the tomato. It's very easy to do. I'm gonna put the pepper on. Yes, normal, you should put a little bit far apart, but because I don't have the space to put far apart, I put them close together, but it's no problem. And the last one is gonna be the tomato. It's very easy to do. Make a hole and put the tomato on. Done. And this been my day. just relax me, give me something to do outside. Sometimes I take a ride to Orlando to visit the Disney and some very good restaurants in Orlando. We have beautiful lakes and beautiful weather. I don't think you can ask nothing better than this, the weather. Christmas time, sometimes a white one appear. It's every Christmas. You don't see him or her. I'm not sure if it's him or her. At other times, it's Christmas time they appear. I hope this Christmas I see him or her. I'm not sure yet. This is the oak trees, Florida oak trees. The stuff is growing in a tree. It's like a parasite. But a lot of people love this. This is the pier. We're gonna see if we find some gators, but I'm not sure. We have snakes. We have a moccasin, water moccasin. I think this is a name. And we have some other one, but I think the most poison one in this lake is the water moccasin. Thank you and bye.